So I got a little notification on my phone informing us that the parking ban. So if you live somewhere where there's winter, you have snowplows that plow your front street and stuff like that. So I just got the little boop boop on my phone saying that our front street is coming up this week, aka tomorrow. So we needed to put all the vehicles into the driveway, and I just want to show you how well they all fit, so that's good, right? Also, look at my little like Cruella de Villas coat. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the gray truck is at MERS, so that's good, but I don't think it's very often you'll see this. I think it'll be hilarious when like the COVID cops come by and be like, "You're having a party," and we're like, "Nope, just street cleaning day." This is like, I haven't been in here since you cleaned it, and it's so different. Look at all the space for activities.
Yeah, you walk with the car, so it's nice.
Like,
Quite handy.
Holy moly! Ooh, my coffee mug.
Yeah, I dropped it.
Oh, did it break?
No, it's very robust.
Well, you bought me that.
Did I?
Yeah. Wow, look at all the space! How fun! You could put like a little couch here, and I can sit.
It's nice to be able to walk around the car, I'm not gonna lie. How I did it.
Yeah. Oh, these look cute here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Start putting stuff up on the walls.
Wow.
So bodywork's messy. I had it nice and clean. Now it's trashed.
The joys of body work.
Trashed. Yeah.
Trashed.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting there.
Woohoo! It's a really nice looking Pontiac, though, I'll tell you that much.
There, right?
Looks good. So just an update. Our dumpster Christmas tree still up. I mean, I feel like because it's a dead tree, I don't even need to take it down, right? It can just stay here until next year. Also, look at this creeper. I guess you can't really see it. There's not really any light. But I got this fancy creeper. Well, I didn't, but I got it for Dan for Christmas. Isn't that nice for his back? And it's a little more raised, so I'm thinking maybe his hair won't get as caught. Possibly, who knows? But the Amazon couch, I know you guys are always very interested in the Amazon couch, is now a jacket carburetor bag of wrapping paper that needs to get thrown out couch. And there is literally just like carpet and boxes all over the floor. One day this week I'll probably clean it all up, but today is not that day. Also, fun fact, made my famous meatloaf again, but this time I'm changing it up, using some prosciutto instead of bacon. We'll see what that's like. Oh, also, I need to show you guys something super cool and exciting. Look at my Aerogarden. It's kind of, the light's really crazy, but look, this is my dill. This is my Genovese basil. This is my Thai basil, and I got curly parsley coming, and chives, and thyme. This is one of my Christmas gifts from Dad, and I'm so excited about it. Whoop, whoop. All right, so dinner's ready. No, I did not make that meatloaf. That's for tomorrow, but I did make butter chicken, because we like butter chicken. Anyways, let's go tell the Alexander Hamilton of Cars dinner's ready. And I feel like you will only get that joke if you are a theater nerd and know exactly the song I'm talking about. A guy has a brand new creeper, and that's what he's using.
I was welding under the car, and I set that one on fire. So I thought I'd finish doing this cursed Dodge, and I'd pull it out on the wagon.
Oh, that's nice.
The proper car.
Aw, well that's kind of romantic. I came to tell you that dinner's ready.
Sweet. I'm ready for dinner.
Woo, convenient.
Just put another schmuck filler on, then I'll be right in.
You want me to give it a kick for you? Should I just...
Dodge?
Hiya! How mad would you have been?
Pretty mad. I put a lot of work in this.
Now I just want to kick it even more.
Go for it, see what happens.
I'm ready. Alright, so I just came home from a very long day at work. I feel like for a date's sake, you guys should know that it is December. I wish. It's January 8th, and our restrictions in Manitoba just got bumped up for another 2 weeks, so it's kind of a bummer of a day. So I go and check the P.O. box, and there was something addressed specifically to me. I'm not doing a very good job of holding that. And I open it, and oh my gosh, you guys, I have to show you what it is, and I'm so excited about it. So I open up this box, and it's literally so much chocolate. Like, I'm so excited. Oh, there's something in here. What's that? Ooh, Kahlua thingy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have had this rage where you are, but hot chocolate bombs are like to die for right now and are impossible to get in Winnipeg. Oh my gosh. And Kay, who sent this, makes these herself. And like, how cool is that? Like, those look so good. I'm gonna have to hide them because I do not want to share them with Dan at all. These are my bomb divas. Oh my gosh. Unreal. Oh, and treats for the dogs. Oh my gosh. This is like so sweet. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this like lovely good news box I feel like I got. So, and don't tell Dan that I have this. I'm going to try to eat all the chocolate before he knows about it. So this like totally made my week and like my year, even though it's only been a few days, but it's been a wild few days. So thank you so much, Kay. This is like, I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we're gonna give the dental sticks a go. Steve, sit. Good boy. Frankie, don't worry, honey. Hey, no, you gotta sit, baby. They are amped about those. Amazing. Well, I gotta wash this floor. Alright, I've got my hot chocolate bomb, my instructions. Go check her out. Bomb Diva. She's on Facebook and Instagram. And her husband have been like just the kindest people to us from like Dee Dee Speed Shop's inception. And this was just like the sweetest little treat that she sent my way, and I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I got my hot milk, and I'm just gonna attempt to not spill it everywhere and pour. Ooh, baby. And then, oh, I guess I should have grabbed a spoon earlier. Boom. I don't have a spoon. End of a fork will do. And I think I just like let it all melt together. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Honestly, it looked good enough to eat like it was a chocolate. I kind of just wanted to do that. You guys, there were little marshmallows inside. How cute is that? Look how good that looks. Alright, yes, I did spill. I'm bad at pouring. Anyways, so there you go. Check out Bomb Diva, Instagram, Facebook. Now I'm going to go drink this and enjoy my evening. Okay, so I was just going to leave it there. And then I had my first couple sips. And you guys, this is like unreally delicious. Like it's like creamy and like it's got like cinnamon or something. Kind of caramelly, like it's just, holy crap, is this good. Oh dang. Oh dang. These are deadly. the wheel's so bouncy? The wheel just bounces so much. Oh.